Welcome to my course, Linux System Maintenance and Troubleshooting. In this course, we're going to learn how to determine the care and feeding your Linux servers need and how you're going to give it to them. In this course, you'll learn to assess key system performance metrics, audit the health of your hardware components, control Linux kernel releases, prepare software packages for distribution, and build a disaster recovery plan. By the end of the course, you'll be comfortable with Linux monitoring and administration tools like Cockpit, RPM Build, SmartCTL, and MemTester. Before beginning the course, you should already be familiar with basic Linux file system and application administration. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn to manage your Linux servers with the Linux System Maintenance and Troubleshooting course at Pluralsight.